What is up, y'all? Back with another video. So this one was actually, this one's kind of random. I kind of like picked them randomly. I don't know why, so don't judge me. But we're gonna react to it anyway. So this one is funny pranks on dogs and cats. And yeah, you know how cats and dogs in in daily life and public have some crazy reactions, like they always get scared or they always like jump and stuff like that. So, like it'd be funny, yo. Like, yeah, I can't tell you. I mean, wow. So we gonna react to this one right now. We gonna get our last one. Actually, this one is the try not to laugh challenge, but I don't think I'm gonna like play this challenge anyway because I'm gonna laugh anyway. So I'm not gonna like, I'm gonna like I'm not gonna do this challenge. I was gonna like react to it normally. Maybe I'll try not to laugh challenge next time on other videos, but we'll see. But anyway, let's check this out. Whoa, yo, that cat took a full speed ahead. What was that? Oh.
Come up there. Hendrix, come here. Come here.
Oh. Yo. Look at that cat's face, man. You gotta ignore it. The way he turned his head like, did you just blow my ear? Did she put soda in the bowl? Wow, I'm asleep.
Why is it spicy?
You gotta lay down.
No, what? This fell down.
You gotta lay it down.
It was mimicking it. Wow, that's funny. Yo. Yeah, that cat got scared shitless.
Your checking account available balance is $12,617,000.
Oh my god.
$90.56.
So I
That
read on the
goes like,
internet
wait,
that
what?
cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so
A lot
if
of
you
money.
get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Wow.
They're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
That cat's studying on a closed laptop.
So rude. No, I do not want to play. I don't want to play. I told you this.
That dog's not gonna leave him alone until he gets away once. What's it growling for? He's clipping his toe. He's clipping his nails. Bruh, the way that dog growled his face like that. Yo. Yeah, that dog. Whoa. Oh. What? Is this really big the dog face like that? Oh,
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup.
That dog's reaction though.
I'm sorry.
Wait, what?
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry.
That dog's
I'm
pissed.
sorry. They were too busy. I
Dog
didn't
is
ask for a
pissed.
pup cup. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, man, dogs and cats got minds on their own, man. They're really intelligent. Whoa, what happened there?
Don't step in there.
He's pissed. But, wow, that really works? No way. Oh, I saw that. Tripwire. Well, fake tripwire. Your dog barks back at your dog. He bark. Oh! Your barks at your dog. That dog is frightened, man. That dog is really frightened. Yo. That dog got scared shitless. This stinks though. Sock will have it. What is this socks? What does sock do? Yo.
Oh my god. Go eat. No? Alright. Go eat.
Whoa.
No?
Wow. That dog's like, what you doing?
Alright, go eat.
Yeah. Oh my god. That dog, no, I don't want to be in, so I'm gonna eat. That dog said, I don't want you to do that to me, so I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna do what you say. Yo, that's funny. That's funny. Oh snap. That dog's like, nah. Okay, I'm gonna eat. I'm just playing around though. You have to do that dog like that. Oh wow, yeah, that was a funny ass video. Oh my gosh. So okay, if I was like doing the try not to laugh, I would definitely lost. Like no lie, I would definitely lost. Cause this was a funny ass video. Like Dogs and Cats has some crazy funny reactions, yo. Like it's funny. The last video got me though. Like that, the last video definitely got me. But what y'all think about this video so far? Leave a like and a comment. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.